Ka Jingjah jong ki shijur ki Nongwankai ha ki than sora kan omla ban Ktah ya ka Jingtuid jong ki Nongwan jong kai perthei cha ka than ba cha ka Jylla barok ka wei ong menteri ketna tourism ka Jylla ba poling do ha ka jingkran bat kilat pathai Khubor menteri ulaya thuru bakum ka sarkar hi kala persanglut kilat kilenti nag banta ban penjur ya ka Jingwat ya kini ki shujur ki balaja.
We already have a robust ecosystem in place. Is proven by the phenomenon of growing footfalls in the Sora region. And you can check this out for yourself. All hotels, resorts, homestays are packed to capacity. The fact that this unfortunate incident has occurred only means that, as I would like to repeat myself, we in the department cannot actually police every single inch of tourist destinations. Now, for instance, we have a gentleman from Shillong who traveled to Thailand and did not return, has not been traced 6 months from till today. Would you then say that Thailand is not safe for tourists? Okay, so the fact that these tourists will, when they travel to destinations like the living root bridges, we already have local guides everywhere. But now supposing somebody decides to venture beyond what is safe, what would be the role of the government? Therefore, the continuous rise in footfalls only proves that Sora is still a very popular tourist destination. As far as this case is concerned, we have taken up the matter right at the level of the Chief Minister, who spoke to his counterpart, and also a senior Minister of the Cabinet, but had personally gone to the site on behalf of the state government. We have pressed into service all possible rescue operations. So that is briefly what government has done till today.